In 2020, if you told someone that within 5 years they'd be able to have a natural conversation with an AI that could write novels, generate photorealistic images from text descriptions, pass medical licensing exams, and code entire applications from a few sentences of instructions, they would have thought you were describing science fiction. That all happened. The question now is, what comes next? To think clearly about the future of AI, you have to separate three things that often get jumbled together in the same conversation: what's already happening, what's coming in the near term, and what's speculative and uncertain. What's already happening and will continue to accelerate: AI is becoming embedded in professional tools, not as a separate product you go to use, but as a feature baked into the software you already use every day. Word processors that suggest and rewrite. Coding environments where AI completes not just lines but entire functions. Design tools where you describe what you want and it appears. Email clients that draft replies. Spreadsheets that write their own formulas. Legal software that reviews contracts. Medical platforms that flag anomalies in patient records. This is already underway. It will be the norm within a few years, not a feature that stands out, but an expectation built into every professional tool. Another near-term development that's already beginning: AI agents. Current AI tools mostly wait for you to ask something, then respond. Agents are different. They're AI systems that can plan a sequence of actions, use external tools, browse the web, run code, send emails, and make decisions over a longer horizon to accomplish a goal you've described. Instead of asking AI to draft an email, you might ask an agent to research the best suppliers for a specific product. Contact three of them, compare their responses, and summarize your options. That kind of multi-step autonomous action is already technically possible and is moving toward practical usability quickly. In science and medicine, AI is doing things that would have taken human researchers years. AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind, solved a 50-year-old problem in biology by predicting the three-dimensional shape of proteins from their amino acid sequences. This is the kind of problem that drug discovery depends on, and it had resisted human scientific effort for decades. AI solved it. Similar breakthroughs are happening in materials science, climate modeling, and drug candidate identification. The next decade of scientific progress will be shaped significantly by AI as a research tool, not just a productivity tool. Now, for the more uncertain territory: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI means an AI that can learn and perform any intellectual task. A human can, at human level or above, across domains it wasn't specifically trained for. The timeline for AGI is genuinely unknown, and serious researchers hold views ranging from a few years to never. The honest answer is that nobody knows. What we do know is that current AI systems, impressive as they are, still struggle with the kind of flexible, common sense reasoning that humans apply effortlessly. Whether scaling current approaches will get us to AGI, or whether entirely new ideas are needed, is an open question. The risks of AI are real and worth taking seriously, without catastrophizing. In the near term, the most significant risks are job displacement in specific sectors, the spread of AI-generated misinformation, privacy erosion from surveillance systems, and the concentration of AI capabilities in a small number of large companies. These are solvable problems if there's political and social will to address them. There are also the problems that are already happening, not hypothetical future ones. Longer-term safety concerns, the kind that researchers call AI alignment. The challenge of ensuring that increasingly capable AI systems remain aligned with human values and don't pursue goals that conflict with human well-being, are taken seriously by a significant portion of the AI research community. These aren't just science fiction concerns. As AI systems become more capable and more autonomous, ensuring they remain safe and controllable becomes more critical and more difficult. What should you do with all of this? First, engage with these tools rather than avoiding them. The people who understand AI from the inside, who know what it can and can't do, who have developed practical skills with these tools, will have a significant advantage in almost every professional field over the next decade. Second, stay informed. The field moves faster than any other technology in history. What's cutting edge today is obsolete in 18 months. The best thing you can do is maintain the habit of learning. And third, think critically. AI is a tool with extraordinary capabilities and real limitations, and the way it's deployed is a social and political choice, not a technological inevitability. Your understanding of it gives you a voice in that conversation. If this helped you think clearly about the future of AI, subscribe. We break down AI every week in plain English.